Hello everyone, it's Carly from cookingwithcarly.com and we are doing another Crumbl taste test today. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'll let you know which video is going live tomorrow. And I think that's all I have to say. Let's get to it. So let's take a look at these cookies this week. We have some brand new ones and some old ones that people love. So this one right here is the Cornbread Cookie. I'll pull it out. I'm not going to lie, I've had this once before and I did not like it. And I'm trying it again for you. So maybe I just got a bad one. I don't know, but we're gonna give it a whirl again. So that's the Cornbread Cookie. This right here is the Churro Cookie. So it's like a snickerdoodle cookie with a cinnamon buttercream on top with cinnamon and sugar on there. Similar to the snickerdoodle cupcake cookie that I have the recipe for. It's just a different frosting. And then this is the peanut M&M one. So there's peanut M&Ms. This is the original base cookie dough. So like their chocolate chip cookie dough, same dough, but it has peanut M&Ms. And then there's supposed to be like a filling of peanut butter inside. And then this one I'm super excited about. It's called a chocolate crunch. It is a no bake cookie, milk chocolate caramel. It smells real good. So it's like a Rice Krispie treat, chocolate and caramel. So that's this one. So let's give these a whirl. I'm gonna go for this cornbread one first. I'm just gonna break these in half. Not grabbing a knife today. So it's nice and thick. It seems really soft and chewy. I'm gonna get a little bit of that frosting on there. This is better than the last one that I had for sure. The last one I had was like really gritty. Like there was a ton of like cornmeal in it or something that I did not like. Yeah. I mean, don't love it. Definitely do not love that. Okay, breaking in half the churro one. Nice and thick, both with the frosting and with the cookie. I've actually had this one before too. The one that I had before, the frosting was pretty overpowering. So I'm curious if that's still the case. Well, that's pretty good. I really like the snickerdoodle base. It's nice and chewy, lots of cinnamon in there. And the cinnamon buttercream frosting is good. It's not overly sweet. The last one I had was really, really sweet. This is good though. I'm a fan of that. Okay. The peanut butter. So there's definitely the peanut butter layer in there. Right there, you know. This one is served warm. It's not currently warm because I live far away and a neighbor delivered these to me today. She was helping me out. So let's give this a try. So I've got some peanut butter in there and the peanut butter chocolate chips or peanut butter M&Ms. Wow. That's a good balance because I feel like if it was a peanut butter cookie, it would be like ultra peanut buttery, which was not a bad thing, but this is good. I like the combination of the regular cookie dough with the peanut butter. That's good. All right, last but not least, the chocolate crunch. So like I said, Rice Krispie treat. It's served chilled. It's got milk chocolate chips and like marshmallows and caramel in there. Doesn't look, I'm trying to decide if there's like layers of caramel. There are not. It's like one mixture mixed in with the cookie or with the Rice Krispie treats. Okay. I love me a no bake cookie. So I hope this is good. Now it's taken me a long time to decide if this is good. I mean, it's not bad. I feel like there could be a stronger chocolate flavor. It's not amazing either. I'm a little disappointed with this one. But I feel like I could make a version of this that would be like outstanding. Just needs more flavor. I feel like it's just lacking flavor overall. That's it. It's just lacking flavor, but it could be really, really good. Okay, so those are the cookies for this week. Comment below, let me know which one you want me to recreate. And I will do that as soon as I can. And the video that will be going live tomorrow is the chocolate cupcake cookie. So that's a chilled sugar, no, not chilled, it's warm. It's a sugar cookie base with a fudge chocolate frosting. And it is really good. So watch for that. And we'll see you guys next week.